Hi, I'm Mehdi. I'm going to show you a really easy mac and cheese. It's super cheesy and low fat. First, you're going to start with some skim milk. Next, you have some low fat sour cream. Just pour it right in. Some margarine and Dijon. Last, you're going to put in some low fat cheddar cheese and low fat mozzarella. Now you just want to stir that over medium heat until it's nice and creamy. So just keep stirring that until it's nice and creamy like peanut butter. This recipe is great because it's still really creamy and a lot less calories. Okay, now it's starting to boil, come together. We're gonna turn off our heat. Bring your elbow macaroni over. It's already cooked. We're gonna just pour the sauce right over. Now you just want to stir that together, like so. That looks awesome. Next, we're going to get our ramekins ready with some nonstick spray. And then just spoon in your macaroni. That looks awesome. It's going to be really hard to try not to eat this before you get in the oven. And we get our last bit in there. So next, you want to take your breadcrumbs and paprika, mix it together, and sprinkle some right on top. The breadcrumbs give it a nice crispy crust. That looks awesome. Now just cover it with foil. We're going to put it into a 350-degree oven until it's basically nice and bubbly. About 5 minutes before you take it out, you just want to remove the foil. And next time you want mac and cheese, skip the box and go for the real stuff. You'll eat better when you bring the Healthy Cooking Show into your kitchen.